Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. In today's recipe I am going to show how to make tuna cakes. For tuna cakes what I have taken is 300 grams of tuna, canned one. I have drained the excess oil and peppers. I've used red and yellow. You can also use green if you have. I've taken quarter of each, and then I have one onion red which is chopped and kept. Let's start with the cooking process. We will also require more ingredients to make these tuna cakes. First we will start with the cooking process. So my pan is already hot. Now I will add oil in order to saute the onion and peppers. We will do a slight saute. So I will add steam. This tuna cakes comes out very delicious. It is rich, and I'm going to show you in a very simple way which you can try this recipe at home. So now onion is ready. I will add peppers to this. As I mentioned, if you have green pepper you can also use green. It is not necessary that you use red, yellow. Any pepper which you have you can use it. Guys, check this out. This is already sauteed now. Onion and peppers. Now what I am going to do is I am going to switch off the flame and leave this out for a while, so let it get on room temperature. So as you have seen, I've already sauteed the onion and peppers, and I've left it for the ambient temperature, the room temperature. Now I've added to tuna. Now we'll do the mixing part. We also need mayonnaise, which are 3 tablespoons. This mayonnaise, this is a homemade mayonnaise, and in order to make this I will add a recipe to the description box. So I have taken 3 tablespoons. Also I need a breadcrumb which is 1 cup, and mustard 1 teaspoon. So let's do the mixing part now. One more thing, if you get fresh tarragon in the market, it is very good. It gives you a better flavor, which I didn't find it. Mustard and breadcrumb. Let's mix this well. Guys, check this out. This now at this stage you need to check the seasoning. Salt is already there, and even when we make mayonnaise, there is salt in that. Now I will add little bit of pepper powder, white pepper powder to this, just for flavor. And also one thing I forgot to mention, that regarding the breadcrumb. Breadcrumb I have made it here. Sliced bread, cut the edges, and then blend it in the blender. Now if you get panko breadcrumb, which is white in color, it comes ready-made, that is very good option. Otherwise you can make your own breadcrumb at home, like how I did. Let's give a quick mix. Now this mixture, you need to keep it moist. So when you make the cakes, when you seal them, it has to be soft. So now let's start with the cooking process. Guys, check the consistency. This is how it should be, moist, and when you seal them it comes very soft. Should not be dry. That's the whole idea. So let's start with the cooking process now. Now my pan is already hot. What we need is, I've taken half clarified butter and half oil. Add little more. Now you have to press it a little bit. Let this cook on one side. Now one side is ready. I am going to turn them up. See the texture? It is soft. I'm going to remove this and place it in the platter. Check this out. Guys, check this out. This is the final outcome. Goes very well with cocktail sauce. You can try this recipe at home, and please give me a feedback in the YouTube comment section. So I know that you all have tried, and thanks for watching my video, and God bless you all. Thank you very much.